Hello there, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will talk about Pictory versus Eli. Which one is cheaper? So the link is in description box. You can follow from there. So for now, let's talk about Eli first. Here in the left side, you will find this upgrade option. If I click on it, so there we have three plans. So the most popular is Advanced, which is for $100. And if we talk about the basic one, so it is for $23 per month, but it is $23 per month if you build annually, and your annual build will be $278. And here you also have option to choose minutes per year. If I click on it, so there we have 180 minutes per year, 300 minutes per year, or 480 minutes per year. So according to the minutes, the price will be changed. Next we have Advanced, which is $100 per month, and your annual bill will be $1200. There you can also choose minutes per year. The first option is 600, then we have 1200 and 1800 minutes per year, and the price will change according to the minutes per year. And then we have the custom option where you can totally customize your plan. You can tell your needs and they will customize this plan for you. So let's compare it with Pictory, which is cheaper. So this is the main dashboard of Pictory. Here you see this pricing option. If I click on it, so there we will find their plans, what they are offering. So there we have yearly plan, and their basic one is started from $19 per month, and which is for content creators starting with videos. Then we have the professional one, which is for $39 per month. And in professional plan, you will get 1200 transcript per month and 60 videos per month. And you will get only one user per account. Then we have this Teams option, which is for $99 per month. And there you will get 90 videos per month and 1200 transcript minutes per minute. And also you will get 3 users per account. Now let's talk about their monthly plans. So if I click on monthly here, now as you can see, the starter is for $29, the professional is for $59, and the Teams one is for $149. Now if we compare it with Eli, let me choose monthly here. And as you can see, the basic one is started from $29. The advanced one is started from $125. And the custom one, obviously you can customize it according to your needs. So their basic one is started from $29 both. But in Eli, we have advanced plan which is for $125 per month. And in Pictory, we have the professional plan which is for $59 only. So I think Pictory is way more cheaper than Eli. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.